Meet the robot doing a job I've been dodging for months, cleaning every window in this house. Ever since I moved back temporarily after a stressful long-distance move and a long trip to Asia, my mom's had a whole list of chores for me, like mowing the lawn, dealing with that random tree that decided to fall in the middle of the backyard during a storm, and cleaning all the windows around the house. I mean, that just sounds boring, and I had no interest in doing any of that, so I did what any reasonable person would: hire a robot to do it for me. So meet Steve Jr., a very distinguished gentleman. And yeah, that name's not random because its older brother Steve has been serving me very well this past year, being the best robot vacuum mop ever, cleaning my whole apartment with ease thanks to sick features like a nozzle to spray solution onto stains and buildup on the floor, amazing edge cleaning thanks to mop rollers that stick out, brushes that swipe the corners, and a smart system that can detect obstacles and lift its rollers to suction carpets. Now imagine all that ECOVACS tech onto a window cleaner. So first things first, Steve Jr., also known as the ECOVACS WINBOT W2S OMNI, comes with a portable station, so you can bring it everywhere with ease, not to mention it looking super sleek too. I actually love the fact that everything is hidden inside, so when you pull down the front cover, you're greeted with the actual window cleaning robot unit. There's a hidden compartment for the cleaning solution so you won't lose it, and there's even troubleshooting instructions taped onto the back of the cover, and at the back, a compartment for the charging cable as well. Oh, and by the way, you can choose to plug in the station, or even better, run it off the internal battery that lasts up to 110 minutes, so it's actually really convenient. There are suction cups on the bottom of the station too, so the thing won't slide around at all when you're using it, and if you're paranoid because you live on a high floor in a condo, there is a safety cable that you can hook onto something strong to use as an anchor. But alright, instead of me telling you guys what Steve Jr. can do over here, let me actually show you by doing a live demonstration of my first ever time cleaning all the windows around my family house. Alright, first things first, we're gonna open up the station where Steve Jr. is currently sleeping right now. And now that Steve Jr. is out, we actually need to feed him, so I'm just gonna grab this cleaning solution bottle that's tucked away in this compartment, and I actually need to open this first, actually. And there we go. Steve is now drinking this cleaning solution. Oh, and also the instruction manual says that we need to wet the pads at the bottom of the robot, so let me go do that as well. And then we just ring this thing over here, and we should be all set. All right, I think we're ready. Okay, so I got these mop pads attached back on the bottom of the robot, and I think the first window we're gonna try is these sliding doors right over here in my dining room. Oh yeah, and apologies for the lighting, it's just really backlit right now, and there are no clouds at all, as it's also been raining for the past few days, which is why the windows are cleaner than usual. But you know what? Let's just start for the first time. So I'm gonna click on this power button on the station right over here. So that's turned on, and I think, oh, okay, I should turn this one on as well. So if I click on this, okay, so it's like the suction like starts moving or something. So I can just put this on, I guess. Boom! Yo, that's actually scary, what the heck? Currently attached? Yo, what the hell? Okay, that's actually really cool, wait. Yo, this thing got some strength to it. Yo, okay, that's actually sick, oh my god. And damn, look at you go, Steve Jr. You're all on your own right now, and wow, it's actually doing a pretty good job already. But yeah, it's such a weird and honestly scary feeling to let go of the WinBot for the first time, but trust, it actually stays suctioned on very strongly with like 800 newtons of force, so it won't fall off, and it also has anti-slip treads on the bottom as well, so it was really fascinating to just see this move around by itself without needing any input or intervention at all. And would you look at that? Absolutely squeaky clean, and I should do the inside as well. Alright, so far so good, and I think the machine is actually really simple to use, so I'm actually going to let my mom try it for the first time because you know how I said at the beginning of the video, I'm only here temporarily? Let's see how she does. Alright, say hello to the camera.
Hi, how's everyone?
Okay, go pick up the thing. Pick it up by the handle. Yep. Okay, now press and hold the power button.
Hold the power button?
Yes, press and hold.
Got it?
Nice. Okay, now stick it onto the window.
Which side?
Anywhere, in the middle.
Okay. In the middle?
Yep, just stick it on.
Stick on. Good.
And now let go.
Let it go.
That's it.
Okay. Pretty simple.
What do you think?
Yes, pretty simple.
Nice. All right, what do you think so far?
Yeah, so far so good.
Is it useful?
Yes, it is useful.
Do you like it?
Yes, I like it.
Nice.
I will show something.
All right, what is she showing me? Let's go down. Yes.
Oh, grandma's window has a pool.
Oh my God.
Bird's pool, I guess.
Bird's poop? Okay, we'll do that next. We will do that next.
Thank you.
All right, you heard my mom. There's luckily some fresh bird poop on the window of my grandma and currently my little brother's room as well. So let's go see how Steve Jr. can handle that mess. All right, I'm inside the bedroom right now, and one of the coolest things about the WinBot is that you can actually operate this from inside. So let's say you live at like a really, really high floor in a condo, apartment, or like an office, for example. You're obviously not gonna be able to go outside and attach this thing to your window, but because the station is portable, you can just bring it inside, and since the wire is super long and strong, you can just actually attach it from the inside, and this thing won't fall. So let me actually show you guys what I mean. All right, so I'm gonna close this window so I can actually reach it. I'm gonna turn this thing on over here. And now that it's on, I'm just gonna reach around. And boom, there we go. Look at that. And while Steve Jr. is cleaning up these windows, it's a great time to mention that there are 3 nozzles on the robot that spray the cleaning solution we fed earlier to actually clean the windows without leaving a streak and to get rid of any old dirt or grime. And in fact, it actually has it on the opposite side as well, so it can spray the other side without needing to rotate for efficiency. What really impressed me as well was how close the robot actually rides along the edges and corners of the windows, so it can actually fully collect and clean them, which is very important and where a lot of dirt collects when manually cleaning. So as you can see, it did an amazing job cleaning the window, which just looks so beautiful through the glow of the night. It's no longer nighttime though, as it's a brand new day, but we still gotta finish the job, so I got something harder for Steve Jr. to conquer today, and that's these angled but narrow windows at the front of my house. All right, these windows are actually quite small, but it looks like the WinBot just so happens to fit like almost perfectly on the glass, and because this thing is really good at auto-navigating and creating its own path, this should in theory work, so let's try it out. All right, we're gonna turn this on. Let's stick this somewhere in the middle, like over here. And I think it should work. There we go, it works, okay. Not bad, not bad. And while these windows are being cleaned, I wanted to point out that there's a button on the station to easily change cleaning modes with a voice prompt, or you can actually use your phone and download the ECOVACS app to go through all the cleaning modes depending on the scenario you want. And cooler yet, there's actually a remote control feature to manually move the WinBot around and spray to your own will. And last but not least, the final challenge for Steve Jr. over here is the shower glass of our washroom, because as you can see with the sun in the background, the water like stains and stuff are very unsightly and they're hard to clean even though we do have a squeegee soap. Hopefully the WinBot can do a good job for this. And would you look at that? It absolutely does work, and Steve Jr. handled the edges of the glass without falling off like a boss. And up to this point, I didn't once have to refill the cleaning solution thanks to the 80 milliliter water tank that can cover 55 square meters. And again, the battery of the station lasts for 110 minutes. So mission success for cleaning the entire house in one charge, and it's super easy to pack up as well thanks to the automatic wire coiler button on the top of the station, in which the WinBot just tucks right inside. And obviously, don't forget to clean the pads at the bottom and charge the station for the next time you use it. So there you go. I just showed you guys a bunch of different scenarios that Steve Jr. is now officially in charge of, and it did a fantastic job on them, so much so that my mom and grandma are pretty happy about it. Not to mention, I don't need to manually wipe these windows anymore, and as you saw at the start, the machine with or without an app is so easy to use. Even my mom, who is so bad at using any tech, can figure it out herself, which is great when I'm moving. And just imagine, if you guys had like a bigger house or like an office or warehouse or somewhere with a lot of big windows, it would actually take yourself forever to clean, not to mention very expensive if you hire like window cleaners to do it for you. So this can actually save you a lot of money in the long run. And especially if you've been in an apartment like me where maintenance is neglected and your windows are super dirty from the outside, especially if the ongoing construction everywhere, this thing will really help you out as well. But yeah, another absolute banger of a product from ECOVACS, which I never doubted from the start because I've been loving and using the robot vacuum mop over this past year, which has really helped me out a lot. And yeah, This WinBot is awesome, so if you guys are interested, make sure to check the links down below in the description and the pinned comments, and also let me know if you guys have any questions so I can help answer them. But yeah, huge shout out to ECOVACS for sponsoring this video and helping clean this entire house, because now everyone is happy, including myself. And yeah, if you guys are still all the way here, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video provided some value to you guys. And also, make sure to leave a sunglasses emoji down below so I know you're a real one. And on that note, have a great one, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And I should leave because I'm getting stung by mosquitoes everywhere, or bitten, because the sun's about to set. So goodbye.